Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2017. The session is May-June. This is question number 4. This question is about matrices and the inverse of a matrix. So let's do it. In the question we have three matrices A, B and C. Part A says calculate 2B minus 3A. That means we multiply this with 2 and this with 3 and then subtract their products. So let's first write them down. 2 is being multiplied with the matrix B, and then it is being subtracted from 3 being multiplied with the matrix A. Let's first multiply them. So when we multiply, the first matrix becomes 10, 6, minus 4 and 2 minus 9, 6, negative 12 and negative 6. Okay, let's see what we get when you subtract them. So 10 minus 9 gives us 1. 6 minus 6 gives us 0. Minus 4 plus 12 gives us positive 8. And minus 2 minus 6 gives us positive 8 as well. So our matrix is 1, 0, 8, 8. The next part says calculate BC. We need to multiply this with this matrix. So let's do that. Let's write it down first. We have 5, negative 2, 3 and 1, which is the matrix B, and then we have negative 2 and 1, which is the matrix C. Okay, so when we multiply, 5 gets multiplied with 2, negative 2 I mean, and then 3 gets multiplied with 1. So let's do that first. 5 times negative 2 plus 3 times 1, and then we multiply negative 2 with negative 2 and 1 by 1. So you do negative 2 times negative 2 plus 1 times 1. Okay, so 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 3 gives us negative 7. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So our answer is negative 7 and 5. Okay, the next part says calculate the inverse of A plus A. Let's first find the inverse of matrix A. So to find the inverse, we would be writing the matrix A in this form: 1 over AD minus BC, which is the determinant, being multiplied by DA negative B negative C. Okay, we talk about this first. One second. So in this matrix A, this was A, this was D, this was B, this was C. A and D get flipped with each other, and then B and C, their sign changes to a negative sign. So minus 4 would become positive 4 and 2 would become negative 2. So let's write that down first. The inverse of A, 1 over AD. AD was 3 times negative 2. So you do 3 times negative 2 minus BC was negative 4 times 2. So you do negative 4 times 2. Okay, and this is being multiplied by this matrix. So A becomes D, D becomes A. So you write negative 2 here and 3 goes over there. And then B becomes negative. So it's going to be negative 2 and positive 4. So let's find the determinant as well. So you get 3 times negative 2 gives you negative 6. Negative 6 plus 8 multiplied by negative 2, 4 and 3. Okay, what do we get here? So we get the inverse, which is 1 over 2 is being multiplied by this matrix. So let's just directly multiply this and let's write down the matrix. So when 1 over 2 is multiplied by negative 2, you get negative 1. And when 1 over 2 is being multiplied by negative 2, you get another negative 1. And then when 1 over 2 is being multiplied by 4, you get 2. And when 1 over 2 is multiplied by 3 over here, you get 3 over 2. Now this matrix is supposed to be added to A. So let's do that over here. So A inverse plus A means that you write negative 1, 2 and 3 over 2, which is the inverse of A, plus the matrix A, which was 3, 2, negative 4 and negative 2. 3, 2, negative 4, negative 2. So the sum that you get in the end is negative 1. Okay, negative 1 plus 3 gives you positive 2. Negative 1 plus 2 gives you positive 1. Okay, 2 plus minus 4 gives you negative 2. And 3 over 2 plus minus 2 gives you negative 1 over 2. So you write the answer over here, 2, 1, negative 2, negative 1 over 2. I hope the question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.